Right, the drive side washer, splash washer goes on. Yeah, drive train, drive gear, so let's drive gear. Yep, on the train. Yep, dog, spring, top dog, and belt. To make sure the top dog goes on to the shaft. Just try and roughly line it up, and then do it up. Now my big adjustables, grab it, says, and then just turn it a little bit, and then check it again. Yeah, looks okay. You can soon tell because they're going down, it jams up. And then you can see it's gone all the way home, and I've got to torque that out. Just got to wash my hands. Engine sprocket bolt, 35 Newton meters. So on to drive gear. So done. Right, so now since this gasket's all fine, all I'm going to do is clean the casing up. Yeah, and then just clean it up, press sealant on it, and whack it straight back on. Comes off pretty easy.